Bahasa Inggris. Text. I'm so lucky because I have 3 best friends. They are Luciana, Kevin, Julio, and Danny Joe. We have known each other since we were 4 years old. We met in the kindergarten. Since then, we always go to the same school. Moreover, our houses are still in the same block. We do everything together. Now let me introduce my friends one by one. Luciana is the youngest among us because she was born in November. We call her T, his sweetie Luciana. Her father is Australian. She is tall and slim. She is about 168 centimeters. She has long straight hair. Actually, the color of her hair is blonde. She has beautiful blue eyes, an oval face, and pointed nose. She is a cheerful, sonident, and determined girl. However, she is a little bit careless and stubborn. She has many cats in her house. There are about 7 cats. She loves them all. One of her favorites is a little brown cat. She calls her Brownie. Luciana loves to dance and sing. Nevertheless, she wants to be a model. Kevin Julius' nickname is Kevin. Most of girls in our school love and adore him. There's no doubt about his good looking. We call him the charming Kevin. His height is 117 centimeters. Kevin has straight hair and period face. He is an intelligent and mirror-fairy person. Above all, he is humble. He was crowned as the best student this year. He won so many prizes on English and psych competition. However, his favorite subject is English. He wants to be a writer someday. Danny Joe is a funny person. He can frequently make the people around him laugh. I wonder what it is in his head, for he can create jokes spontaneously. Danny Joe's nickname is Danny. He is plump. He is about 158 cm tall. His weight is 17 kilograms. That's we call him the Big Danny. He has a round face with brown eyes. His spiky hair. His spiky hairstyle make him easily recognized. Danny is a humorist, friendly, and an easygoing person. He is a movie freak. He would never miss any new movie in the cinema. He dreamed of becoming a famous actor one day. How about me? Well, my name is Elisa. I'm the shortest one among them. I'm about 116 centimeters tall. I have long wavy hair with round face. My friends call me the chubby Elisa because I also have a chubby cheek. Most people, even my parents, say that I'm careful, generous, and diligent person. They also say that I'm a bit sensitive. I love painting. I've spent much time my small studio just painting. That's all about we're quite different. We love each other.